guys, welcome back to Manjulicious. My name is Manjula. Today I'm going to show you how to make Anzac biscuits. These biscuits are very popular in Australia. They're sweet, they're chewy and they're crunchy. They take less than 20 minutes to make them and bake them. Alright guys, let's get on with the baking. Combine all the dry ingredients into a large mixing bowl. Starting off with the flour, oats, desiccated coconut, brown sugar. Mix well. Here I have some melted butter. Into this I am adding 2 tablespoons of golden syrup. If you can't find any golden syrup, you can add honey or corn syrup. Mix it. Into this I am adding half a teaspoon of Bicarb Soda. Mix. Now I am going to pour the butter mixture into the dry mixture. Mix well until they all combine together. Here I have very nice and sticky mixture. I'm going to use a tablespoon to roll the mixture into balls. And place them on the oven tray. And then press a little bit in the middle. My oven is preheated at 470 degrees. I'm going to bake them for 10 to 12 minutes or until they turn light golden brown. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe and like my channel. I'll see you soon with another great recipe. Bye for now.